1-minute summary, The Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring. In a world called Middle-earth, a young hobbit named Frodo inherits a powerful ring from his uncle Bilbo. This ring, forged by the Dark Lord Sauron, can control all others and must be destroyed to save the world. Frodo, along with a diverse group called the Fellowship, consisting of hobbits, a wizard, a dwarf, an elf, and men, embarks on a perilous journey to destroy the ring in the fires of Mount Doom. In the mines of Moria, the Fellowship faces the monstrous Balrog, and Gandalf the wizard sacrifices himself to save his friends. Despite this loss, they press on, facing dangers and learning the true meaning of friendship and sacrifice. The Fellowship's bond is tested, leading to unexpected alliances and losses as they strive to protect Middle-earth from darkness.